guys, welcome to my channel English Vocabo. This is Mita and today I have brought Spoken English Day 13 for you. And today's topic is going to be a little different but yet interesting because it's a daily topic for all of us, especially for ladies, for girls, for women, but not to underestimate the male of India also. Anyway, before I get started with today's topic, I would like you to subscribe my channel. If you haven't subscribed it yet, do not forget to hit the bell icon. Keep sharing my videos as much as possible and hit the like button. Anyway guys, so today the topic is a very regular topic which might sound interesting for some and which might not sound interesting for some. But whatever, we have to do it on a daily basis. So today I am the speaker and I am my own audience because I am going to talk to myself. So let's imagine it's a lockdown situation because we already have faced a lockdown situation and there are no maids available, no helping hands for you, household helps have not been allowed to enter. So you have to do everything by your own. Okay, household chores, running errands, everything, every small and big things have to be done by you. And now you have already understood that why I specified it's for females specifically, but not to underestimate the males also, because there are many men, boys, or males, those who are doing all the stuffs. So it's for like everyone, but mostly for women. Anyway, so when you wake up in the morning, the first thing that strikes your mind is, oh God, I have got so much household chores to be done. So what are the things that fall under the category of household chores? The first is dishwashing, then comes cooking, then sweeping the floor, mopping the floor, then dusting. Okay, so see, one by one, I'm just telling that the first thing that you do is either sweeping the floor with the broomstick, that is the jharu. Then we do the pocha, that is the mopping. Okay, then we go for the dusting of the furniture, dusting of the showpieces and other stuffs to keep your house clean from the dust. Then comes your dishwashing, you know what, bartan dhona. Then comes cooking, which is a very important thing, mandatory and paramount, because other stuffs can be neglected for a while, but cooking has to be done every day because of our tummy. Our belly will cry that, yeah, give me something to eat at least. So once more, I'm repeating the household chores one by one. So just listen to the words, the vocabularies. Sweeping means jharu. With what? With broomstick. Jharu jo hum lagate hai, that is with the broomstick. Then we go for mopping, that is pocha. Okay. Then we have the dishwashing, bartan dhona. Then comes cooking, and in between you can also add dusting. So these are the main household chores that we do. Yes, one more thing is that is washing clothes. Now, if you have the washing machine at your place to help you out with the washing part, then it's okay. But if you don't have, then you have your hands and legs. So washing clothes also falls under the category of household chores. Then comes running errands. What does it mean? Running errands means that you have to rush to the shop to buy the necessary stuffs, like buying bread for your breakfast, then other cereals, then the whole stuff that you need for your cooking, for your eating. So that is called running errands. And sometimes you have to also go out to give your clothes for dry cleaning, for ironing. Okay, so these all fall under the running errands section. So now you got it, household chores and then running errands. So during the lockdown period, we have to do all these things by our own, and we have already understood that how to minimize, okay, minimize the work by not adding a lot of dishes, by not adding a lot of clothes, okay, by saving the food that we are eating. So in this manner we actually are rationing also properly, and we are saving things so that during lockdown we don't face problem. So it was the lockdown period that we have already faced, and if again in future we have to face such lockdowns for some reasons, then we know actually how to handle things. So today I actually used household codes and running errands topic because just to introduce the vocabularies to you. Because you know, while speaking to others, for example, you are a lady and you pick up the phone, you talk to your neighbor or some friend of yours and you say that today since morning I did sweeping, then I did mopping, then I did dusting, then I went for dishwashing, I did the cooking part, I did the washing of clothes, and in the evening I went to run errands. Means you went to the shop, you bought all the stuffs, necessary stuffs for eating. So see, you need vocabularies for describing this also. But these vocabularies are quite simple. So in my video, see, I am making all these small videos. I have made previously 12 videos. In these videos, all these very important regular topics have been introduced. Because, you know, English or any other language is for your communication part. So you need to communicate. So for communication, what do you need? Simple, regular topics. You don't need some, you know, that America and Russia or Ukraine, they are at war, they are this and that, they are politics. You don't have to talk on those topics to gain your speaking habit. You can incorporate such simple daily topics for your English skills, and you can exude your confidence and improve your way of speaking. So guys, if you have liked my today's video on household codes and running errands, then please do like this video and share my videos as much as possible. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, and comment section is below, so you can add whatever comments you like. If you like this video, put yes. If you don't like this video, put no. And stay tuned, be happy. I will see you in next video. Bye bye, take care.